How to set time limits on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set time limits and break reminders on TikTok so you can better manage your screen time and avoid endless scrolling. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And here, once you have opened the TikTok, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu that appears, simply tap on settings and privacy. And now here under settings and privacy, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled screen time. So simply tap on that. And now here under the screen time, you simply need to tap on daily screen time. And now here on the new page, simply tap on set daily time, and from the new page you will see two options: set the same limit every day and set a custom limit per day. So here for this video I'm going to simply select the first option, and once you select it, a time option will appear. From there simply tap on it, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu simply set your time. For this video I'm going to simply set 40 minutes. And here once you have selected the time, tap on next. And once you do that, you are all set. Now this will allow you to set reminders to take a break after using the app for a certain period. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.